Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Cheesecake Factory Key Lime Cheesecake. You need 1 3/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs. Just put some graham crackers in a bag and beat the crap out of them. You need 5 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1 3/4 cup of graham crackers, we're going to mix them together. Now that the butter and graham crackers are mixed together, we're going to take an 8-inch springform pan, put our graham cracker mixture in there, we're going to spread it out, and you want to go about halfway up the pan with the graham crackers. And now if our graham cracker crust's ready, we're going to stick it in the oven, 350 degrees for 5 minutes. While our crust is in the oven, we're going to get started on cheesecake batter. We're going to add 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, one cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to mix until smooth. Now that it's smooth, we're going to add half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice and 3 eggs. And we're going to beat until that's smooth and creamy. Smooth and creamy. We're going to add this to our springform pan. Give it a couple thumps on the table to help get any air pockets out. Now we're going to cook this at 350 degrees for 60 to 70 minutes. And after the hour is up, the cheesecake is done. We're going to let it cool down, come to room temp. Once it comes to room temp, we're going to stick it in the fridge. And after it's chilled, we're going to remove the pan and we're going to eat the cheesecake. And now after it's chilled, it's time to dig in. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. If you like key lime, you like cheesecake, you're gonna love this. Why go to the big factory store and pay almost $70 for a whole cheesecake when it costs about $12 to make the whole cheesecake? Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.